Alright, y'all, I hate that I jumped the gun, but after that, pretty much, I put the eccentric shaft in, I got longer bolts, worked them in, and then I took out those bolts, and I put in the original bolts, and I tightened those down. Then I torqued those down to, I torqued them down to 8.5 Newton meters. So it's 8.5 Newton meters. Bang. Then I took the stopper off and I turned it clockwise that way. Put the stopper back on. And then I turned it with the gear like I did before, right back to where it was. So now everything's right back to where it was when we started. Stopper pieces over there. And we good. I ain't gonna lie though. The gear did slip on me. I don't think those little... bites are gonna do nothing. I ain't gonna do shit. I'm good. I didn't take off no part of the gear. Now, if I took apart, focus, damn it. Now, if I took some of the gear, I'd have been tripping. What's crack-a-lacking, y'all? We back at it today, and man, my PJs. You feel me? Because early in the morning, you hear the birds chirping, and we at it, and we ain't playing with y'all. So today, I'm gonna be working on the f10, like I told y'all. Problem with the f10 is, let me show y'all something. Problem with the f10 is, I was sleeping last night, and I woke up, and I figured that one of the bolts I didn't tighten. So what I did was, I took the valve cover gasket back off. And now, I think I forgot to torque this, but I'm gonna double check because, oh, my bad, can't see. I think I forgot to torque that, but I'm gonna double check and make sure that I did, because it would suck if I didn't, and I'm starting putting power and load on the car, and this goes off or something goes crazy and hits that, and then we have some type of catastrophic failure, all because I did not torque that. Now those, I torqued those, I remember that. But that, I don't remember. So, I'm gonna torque that, and then we'll put the valve cover right back on, and then, like nothing happened. So, let's get it. If you're not sure, go back. All right, so I got the valve cover gasket off. I double checked, I made sure it's torqued, so it is torqued down. Now I believe everything's a little better. I think on the gear, I'll probably put a little more assembly lead. And that's it. I'll take it. So now we're gonna start tightening up the bolts one by one. Let's get it. I needed a surface, I couldn't do. Look. Cut through the seal. Get the seal off. That's the old seal. Coupler, you just pop it off, old coupler off. So now you have the old seal, the old coupler off. There you go, you have it. injector. And it will break in it. Get all that grime and dirt and vapor up off of here. Put that in the bottom all dirty. New coupler. When you install a new coupler, make sure that this side is facing up. It has like a little ring part. Make sure that side is facing up. That's facing up. Then what I do, I get a long socket E18, put it over here, like that, as such. And I get a hammer. And there, couple of them. And I have a new injector seal right here. And what I did, instead of going with the BMW kit, I was like 130, 200 bucks. I went with the GM kit. I'll put the link in the description. So I got that. See, that covers like that, and it goes right before the seal. All right. Slide it over. It's like a tool you can put, but I don't trust it because the tool be scratching the gasket, the seal up. Ask me how I know. So now it's on there like that. And this is Teflon. So now you have to seal it and you gotta compress it. So then you get the little slide thing. If I can find it. Probably I won't find it right now. All right, I found it. So you get your little tool. There's two sides to it. That's the bigger side. So I put the bigger side on first. I'm supposed to compress the seal. So you're supposed to compress the seal for like a minute, supposedly. But right now I'm low-key just sizing it. So I can size it and then pull it down and then size it some more. So let it sit for like a minute. Spin it. Pull it out. You see it's starting to size how it's fine. Put that back. It's getting there, see? Just work your way up. Just leave it there for a minute. And then come back. I can put it in the car and do a smoke test. Looking like Snoop up in there. So that's good. Now we can finish putting the rest of the car back together. Alright, so as you seen before, we smoke tested everything good. So now I put the covers on everything. You feel me? All that's down. Now I just got to do the injector rails, and then do the injector rails and tighten those down. And then I start putting in the engine coils, and then I'll do the electrical stuff, like all the connectors. And then I put the intake back. should be able to start it. So let's get it. Oh, I gotta pull all that stuff back. Yeah, should be able to start it after all that, so let's get it. And after all that, we're finally back in the game, y'all. I told y'all. So the car is done. It works. You feel me? I drove around the block. No check engine light. So now we're back. My bad, y'all. My damn camera died, and I thought I was recording and I wasn't. But as you seen before I put the valve cover on, I finished putting those on. I put the intake on. Now the car's back to running. So now I'm happy, man. She done. Finally. So I still got a couple little things I want to do. You know what I'm saying? A couple little more upgrades. I thought I saw that valve cover gasket leaking, so I want to double check, make sure it's not leaking. And if it is, I'll fix it. But if it is, oh well. That'll be the only thing I have to fix. It turned bad. But yeah, man. Show y'all a little light. It's all done. I was gonna tighten this up. Put a cover on that. And let it crack. It sounds good. Everything good. We in the game, man, for now. Until what's next? Christmas tree dash.